video covers how to use your MTech keypad lever lock set. Each lock set ships with the randomly generated programming code and 2 randomly generated user codes. You can find these codes on the inside trim as well as on the last page of your programming guide. For instructions on how to program your keypad lever lock set, please watch our programming video.
To unlock, enter the 4-digit user code. Activate the passage feature by turning the inside thumb turn to the unlocked position. This will engage the outside lever, so a code is not required to enter.